Have you ever been stuck in a tough conversation? One where every word feels like stepping on a landmine? We've all been there. But what if I told you that ancient Stoic wisdom holds the key to navigating these moments with calm, confidence, and clarity? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll learn timeless strategies to transform difficult conversations into opportunities for growth. 1. The Stoic perspective on conversations. Epictetus once said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." The Stoics believed that conversations, no matter how challenging, are an exercise in self-control and understanding. Instead of reacting emotionally, they taught us to pause, reflect, and approach discussions with reason. When someone confronts you, the natural response is to defend yourself or react emotionally. But the Stoics advise us to do the opposite. Detach from our emotions. Think of yourself as an observer, not a participant, and focus on what's being said rather than how it makes you feel. 2. Strategies for handling tough conversations. 1. Pause before responding. Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Before responding, take a moment to breathe and process. This pause can help you respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. 2. Focus on what you can control. Control is a central Stoic principle. You can't control what the other person says or how they behave, but you can control your reaction. Ask yourself, is my response helping or hurting this conversation? 3. Ask questions instead of arguing visual. A person calmly asking questions in a heated discussion. Socrates, a major influence on Stoic thought, mastered the art of asking questions. Instead of countering every point, ask clarifying questions. This not only diffuses tension but also shifts the conversation to a problem-solving mode. Practice empathy. Visual, 2 people shaking hands after a conversation. Seneca said, "Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness." Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Understanding their perspective doesn't mean you agree with them. It means you acknowledge their humanity. 3. The power of detachment and reflection. One of the greatest tools the Stoics offer is the power of detachment. Epictetus taught that we should view ourselves as actors on a stage. Difficult conversations are just scenes in the play of life. Don't let them define you. After a tough discussion, reflect. Marcus Aurelius often journaled about his interactions, analyzing what he could have done better. Ask yourself, did I stay calm? Did I listen? Did I act according to my values? Reflection turns every conversation into a lesson. Conclusion. The next time you find yourself in a difficult conversation, remember, pause, control what you can, ask questions, and stay empathetic. These principles won't just help you survive tough talks, they'll help you master them. If you found value in these Stoic strategies, don't miss my next video, The Power of Detachment in Stoicism. Click now and take the next step in mastering the art of calm and control.